Horton here for Igloo News, Canada's #1 trusted news source. The Raptors have just won their first NBA championship ever in history. I'm here with the MVP, Kawhi Leonard. He seems to be smacked off a bag of apples. Shout out to Mike. How do you feel? What does it mean for you to win this for all of Canada and all the little kids right now celebrating and drinking syrup?
Well, it means a lot, to win the championship. You got to play basketball really well at a high level. And I'm very, very excited right now. And it was just a team effort, It's a good group of guys, and I'm just happy that we were able to. Hey man, no long talking. This is the six guy Drizzy Drake, man. Yo, big things are going, the big yard man things, That'll be a person, we up here in Dagman. We in Toronto, we in the 666. Yo, you know what I'm saying? I just want to say, man, I just left it all on the floor, you know what I'm saying? Roadman don't play, you know what I'm saying? We do big things, I step on the court, them now all work with me, Big Drake, aka Big Drake, the six guy, big things. I step on the court, I deliver, You know what I'm saying? Because, Papi, I telling you something. When I go on the court, Papi, I do this shit. You know what I'm saying? I'm built for these, That's what I'm talking about. So, big things, you know what I'm saying? In it? You know what I'm saying? In it? We're here at the Square One Shopping Center, Mike, you know what I'm saying? In it? And it's just turned up to the maximum, Mike, you know what I'm saying? We're out here, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to CN Tower, you know what I'm saying? I'm standing on top of the CN Tower celebrating, you know what I mean, Mike? You know what I'm saying? Word is born, you know what I'm saying? Yo, it's Drake, you know what I'm saying? And I'm out here just doing everything, you know what I mean? I led the series in clapping, you know what I mean? Like, the highest towel waving percentage of all time, you know what I'm saying, in the NBA Finals by a nigga on the sideline, you know what I mean? And I just want to say, you know what I'm saying, this is for the six, you know what I'm saying? And speaking of six, this is motherfucking episode 162, you know what I'm saying? Blood Clot episode 162, this is Drizzy Drake, more fucking fire podcast for your head top. Bodega Boys, take it to it. Do the motherfucking drop, eh?
You're listening to The Audio Art, the most dangerous podcast in the universe. Live from Milk Studios. Do the drop.
I'm like, yo.
We done here. We are done here. Episode 162.
Yo.
This is gonna be a This is gonna be a good one.
Fam,
you already feel the energy.
Man. Yo, Drake, bro.
That same energy NBA players and MLB players feel before a game. I remember ICC. I was like, yo, when it's your day to pitch, how's you feel it all day. He was like, yeah.
And then you see a nigga get out there, he's like, yo, fuck you, nigga.
Fuck you, nigga.
He's on the couch, he's like, yo, fuck that.
Nigga, I die for this
pussy,
shit.
Nigga.
It's episode 162, Bodega Boys. Not the most dangerous, but, it's the most problematic podcast to play aloud without headphones on.
That's right.
All right?
You know
but it's problematic with a good cause.
That's right.
Every now and then we drop jewels. We drop gems.
You know what I'm saying? Pow.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I mean?
We drop jewels like, what was it? What was the lyric? It was like Muhammad Ali at a jewelry store.
Yo.
That's right, we coming in.
Yo, who was it that really said, trying to make that a line and say something like, I think it was we drop Jews like Hitler or some wild shit like that? And I was just like,
oh wow, that's
I was like, fam, Jews and jewels is not the same word.
You know what? Most rappers should know this. I think it was established in 1996. There's never a good Hitler reference.
You can't.
I know you think about Sauce Money.
Yeah,
Sauce Money and Reservoir Dogs.
Yeah, I dropped Jews. I dropped Jews like the Holocaust. I was like,
yeah.
I was like, yo, fam.
Yeah, ease up, selector.
Yo, I was like, hold on.
Selector. What he came in like. Oh, this is murdered the whole month of April, nigga, just to take May off. One with more Germans they ate off. You like crews, now concentrate your camp like Jews.
Oh my
God! That's not a problematic for us. That's a problematic for him.
Yo, Singer wrote that shit down. I was like, yo, this shit is hitting.
He said, gotta hear both sides, because like the next line is, flow hotter than a heat wave, bitch. Whips fatter than them shits they beat slaves with. Everyone can get it. Everyone can get it. But Sauce Money got a Grammy for I'll Be Missing You.
Oh, that's right. Yeah.
So shout out to him.
One of the most prolific ghostwriters of all time.
He made a lot of money ghostwriting. Some of your favorite songs were ghostwritten
by Sauce Money.
I used to ghostwrite for the City Girls until JT went to jail.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
That's a fact.
Us and Lil Yachty.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So I would have thought y'all was Chinese food the way y'all duck sauce. I was like, woo! I was like, yo, damn! I was like, damn, that's problematic, but also a bar. Damn, Sauce Money.
God damn. I tightened the strings on my JanSport. I took my ski goggles, turned them this way. I rolled up one ankle, bike messenger style, so I didn't get dirt on it from the bike chain.
Yo.
Yeah. And then I paid $125 to get on the train.
That's right. The LL Cool J flow, like yo.
I swiped my blue Metro card.
Yeah. Remember those?
You remember those?
Yeah.
They get rid of Metro cards. They're switching to like Apple Pay and shit like that.
Wow.
Which, low key, the MTA. First of all, the head of the MTA is British.
Wow.
Take that how you want to take it.
Yo, listen.
Okay.
I mean, I have no experience with the tube. Do you?
I do. I do have experience with the tube.
Comparisons, pros, cons.
The tube can't run. The tube is completely different than the subways in New York City. Like the tube in London will never take the place of the subway in New York City because New Yorkers ain't playing for that shit. Like when you're on the tube, there'll be like a nigga with like play. Like shit is wild. It's just different. You gotta pay. You gotta like put your Oyster card in to get in and get out. Or some bullshit like that.
Wow.
Nah.
Oh, so they know where you going. Like, this nigga got on at 15 and got off at 133rd.
Yeah.
Oh.
Also, shout out to all the protesters in Hong Kong. Yo, did you see the video of apparently when they were like I forgot what they're protesting for freedom, probably. But
that's usually what these protests for. I never see niggas like, we want spicy nuggets.
Yeah.
We want spicy nuggets.
Look at my level of my Steve Harvey level of politics. Them niggas fighting for freedom. But no, there's like a viral clip of people throwing tear gas at them. As soon as the little capsule of tear gas hits the ground, they all poured water on it and put it out, and then some guy grabbed it and threw it back at the cops. Ooh. And I was like, y'all living in the future.
Oh shit.
And also when they go to the protest, they don't use like their Metro cards. They pay cash so the government can't track them. Yo.
See?
Y'all living in that Ghost in the Shell world. You know I'm trying to catch up, yo. I'm trying to be Section 9. You know what it is.
You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Chappie.
Oh shit. So what should we talk about today? What did we practice in rehearsal yesterday?
Absolutely nothing.
Cause we don't rehearse shit. Get up for the iced coffee queen, Victoria in the house. Yeah, thank you.
Gang. Fenty Beauty, y'all.
Okay. Shout out to Toronto Raptors.
Yes, NBA champions.
Who overcame the odds and beat the Warriors.
Yes, they overcame the odds of having Kyle Lowry on their team.
They overcame the odds of a hurt Kevin Durant and a hurt Klay Thompson.
Yo, and I'm like, I feel like LeBron is just in his crib laughing like, ha, 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 ha. You see, what's it feel like? Man, you got to play with a bunch of bums, nigga. Yeah. Huh? What's it feel like, huh?
I know KD's in that hospital bed thinking about what Draymond said, like, we won without you.
Yeah.
You thought,
nigga.
Also, Draymond, what were you doing last night, my God? Oh.
Fam, yo.
And with what, like at least between 19 to 10 seconds left.
I was like,
a 1 point game.
Yep.
And Steph Curry took the wild Carlton Banks shot.
Yep.
Mad time on the clock.
Nigga,
you are
dog.
not ISO mellow.
No.
What were you thinking?
Hold the ball, dog.
Not even hold the ball. Like layup.
Get to the rack. Nobody's going to foul you. Everybody's in foul trouble. Like
high percentage shots.
Yo, that shit bugged me the fuck out. And then that nigga throws his shit away. Then Draymond does the Chris Webber shit and calls the timeout when niggas don't got a timeout. I'm like, yo, what are you niggas doing? And Steve Kerr's a coach of the year.
Wow.
Right, no doubt.
Shout out to the NBA season ending like Game of Thrones, just poorly written. Everyone's upset. Shit don't make no sense.
Yep, the Dragons win.
Klay Thompson just died underneath a bunch of bricks.
And
you know what it is? Usually right now we'd be like, yeah, time for the Knicks championship run. It's not.
Yeah, no.
It's not.
But I'm gonna tell you one thing. I did predict the Raptors in 6 and Kawhi Leonard MVP. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? If you locked in with your boy, you made some bread.
Actually, Drake was the MVP.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
Stop it.
Yeah.
Stop it.
Yeah, nigga rush the stage was like, no, I'm the MVP, eh?
Are you crazy or are you dumb?
Soon as I got back out on the road, nigga, I'm getting this MVP. You know what I'm saying?
Now all my fucking cousins in Mississauga, like, yo, I've been alive and I saw a championship. I've been alive and I saw a championship before you have, and I'm like,
fam, I can't have sex with women that are the age of your NBA team.
Damn.
Like, how about that? Like, we've been waiting since 72, 73?
It's not good. Well, shout out to the St. Louis Blues who won the Stanley Cup.
After many years.
After 52 years of no cup.
Yeah.
So I'm like, yo, the Knicks is right there.
Right there, daddy.
We're not.
You know what I'm saying?
We're not.
Yeah,
The Knicks, let's be realistic.
Yeah.
Let's be realistic. At most, the best the Knicks could do right now is sign Katie and Clay while they're both hurt, and just do another season.
And just do another season of pain.
You know what? You know the only people who still buy tickets are these two assholes right here.
Yeah,
the rest of New York.
That's true.
We have no self-respect. I'm garbage. I'm a white man's whore. Like, what do you want? What do you want? I'm not. I don't have enough self-respect to stop watching the Knicks.
Yo,
I'm a piece of garbage.
We're addicted, bro.
We're addicted. James Dolan is our Julio.
Don't shame us.
You got more on Friday Night Knicks,
Don't
bro.
shame us.
You got more Friday Night Knicks, bro.
And that's what when you are an addict. You need to feed that addiction at all costs. You know what I'm saying? That is your only fucking modus operandi is, yo, get right.
That's right.
And that's how we get right. We get right with Robert Randolph and the Family Band every Friday night. You know what I'm saying? Fuck out of here. I don't care who's on the roster, nigga.
You know what it is? Sometimes, Yeah. I remember one day I just went like 3 weeks without it.
You know what I'm saying?
Clean.
And then you just heard it.
And then it was just like,
Dora, taking the train.
Oh, no.
Oh, God.
Oh, no.
Oh, my God.
It's coming back.
It's coming back.
Oh, no. It's that Knicks fever. Patch you and I'll suck you dick. So you got to do a whole other season with the Knicks.
Yeah, but listen, I mean, look.
Also, shout out to Kemba Walker. I don't like it, but I understand.
Yeah.
He said he has to stay in Charlotte because they drafted him, and he's willing to take less money to stay there.
Yeah,
I get it. You don't want to come back to the Bronx. I understand, bro. Just say it. Just say it with your chest, Kemba.
Yo, just be like, yo, fuck y'all niggas, me. I'm out
like,
the hood.
I'm not coming back to Soundview. Are you stupid?
Like, first of all, I mean, like, the crazy shit is that, like, even if he does think that, I'm like, nigga, you're not coming back to Soundview. You're buying like some $1 million loft in like Tribeca.
He don't want to be in New York no more.
I mean,
I don't want to be a New Yorker no more.
Like, yo, and no shots to Kemba. Like, yo,
we fuck with him heavy.
Super
Victor
heavy.
in the building.
You know what I'm saying? Hey, Papi Chulo, Papi Champo in the building. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I respect it. Like, but at the same time, like, all due respect to Kemba.
Okay.
But I'm like, yo, he did the Mike Trout move. He's like, yo, I'm gonna get this bread.
Yeah.
Like, I'm gonna just chill. There's no expectations here.
Kemba could probably walk around Charlotte. No one's bothering him. He's at Home Depot looking at like perennials and shit.
You know what I mean?
He's unbothered.
Yeah.
I fucks with that.
That's okay.
He comes to New York and like the Bodega Boys are harassing him. Yeah. I'll take these bad photos.
Yo,
and shit. My God, oh shit, cardiac Kemba. He's like, I don't want this.
He's like, yo, I don't want this. I was chilling, fam. Yeah. I have an enormous house that cost me $100,000.
He probably
it's 12 bedrooms.
He probably wears like Crocs and shit. Listen, we trying to get on that level.
Nigga's different now and shit. Like, nigga, he got North Carolina eyes.
That's when I moved to Montana and I gotta take the Wild Showtime PJ in on Mondays to do the show.
Yo, nigga just bought fucking Monk's Corner.
All you darkies, beat it. Get out of here. Skedaddle.
It's my house now.
You're in my house now.
Population 1, Kemba.
Girl, I'll enslave you.
Yo,
You're in my house now. Did we need to track someone set up an account and you track how many times we press every sound effect? Because we press the fuck out this problematic light. We be pressing that shit.
There's gonna be like a fucking groove in that shit by the time we know what this iPad.
Well, they say groove is in the heart.
Yeah.
Is it still Pride? It's still Pride, right?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, it's all month, right?
So play it, yeah.
Oh, Groove in the Heart?
Yeah, let's turn up for Pride.
Is that a gay song?
I mean, I don't know.
You know what? When I think of Groove in the Heart, I don't think of gay people. I think of Ricks. Ricky's.
True.
Ricky's,
Yeah,
and
Ricky's.
shoplifting.
Yeah, true. What's like a...
They used to play this on Hot 97. Nigga, this sound like drugs.
Yeah, hell yeah. Molly's in my butt.
This sound like Sound Factory.
Yeah.
Me, you, Big Time Tommy.
Yeah,
He wants to buy from us, but he doesn't trust us because we're black.
He's like, yo, bro. He's like, yo, you sure this shit is good, bro?
Yo, you get this from Harlem?
Yo, bro, come on. Be real with me, bro.
Bro, if I die, I'm going to haunt you. There's a Russian girl with fake tits. She's like on the floor sniffing whatever powder's there.
Yo.
It's 2 p.m. You got a bottle of water. You know if it's water or GHB. Yeah.
What's a good song to rep for Pride? Is it
What's a good song for Pride? I know.
The Scissor Sisters? Let's have a Kiki?
No. If it's Pride, you got to go with Lady Gaga.
Oh,
you have to go with
true,
Alejandro.
Oh, yeah.
The most dramatic song ever because it's 8 minutes long.
Yo.
Look, I just skipped 2 minutes into the song. It's not even started.
It ain't even start yet. This shit is a movie. Alejandro. We're just like shirtless in Ibiza, dancing to this shit, mad sweaty, like, yeah.
Yo, is Fire Island still popping?
I don't know.
I don't think people still go to Fire Island.
Fire Island still popping?
Victor's like, I don't know these stats.
Relaxing for sure.
But Fire Island used to be the destination.
Oh,
it used to be the spot.
Nigga, of course.
That's when you knew, like,
that was the Mecca.
Shout out to all my LGBTQIA. We got them all. People. But, like, that used to be the sign you were washed. If you wasn't like performing anymore, but you performed at Pride.
Yeah, like, yo, we got...
Looking at you, Deborah Cox.
Yeah, hold that.
How did you get here?
Nobody's supposed to be here.
Cool.
And then the crowd is like, yeah.
But you get that Pride crowd, you good.
You're good
that's your
forever, bruh.
Also, Madonna, her new album, they're saying it might not debut in the top 10, which might be the first time ever. And it's just like, why? Why would an album that you recorded with Quavo and you have an eye patch on with an X on it looking like fucking Ranger Rick?
I don't know what she's doing, but she looks like an extra from like Pirates of the Caribbean. Like, yo, this shit is not a strong look for you, man. Like, and I'm not even, this is not body shaming, this is style shaming. You know what I'm saying?
Which is worse than body shaming. Because the thing with Madonna got joints.
She got joints.
Madonna got joints.
Yeah.
And Madonna got recent joints too. Like, what was it? Blood on the Dance Floor was a great
good joint.
Well, the first 5 songs. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. But, you know what I'm saying? Like, Sorry, Hung Up.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying? She got, and this is what I understand about old musicians. If you are a washed musician and you got classics in the vault, why don't you just tour instead of trying to make, like, unless you're like in an album deal where you owe your label albums?
Yeah.
Why wouldn't you just tour and make money?
Because it's like being a professional sports player. It's like that pride thing. You want to see like you still got it. You're like, yo, I can transcend any genre. I'm still relevant. I still got it.
Yo,
not so much. Not so much. Listen.
Yeah, what's your last show, nigga?
There's a reason why we're not listening to like Schoolie D tracks in 2019.
You know what I'm saying? Like, yo, fam. Like, yo, tour. LL Cool J, tour. Do not make another album, my nigga. Promise me that you will not do that.
Yo, how dare you talk to Big LA like that?
Big LA. Big LA. Deep as blue as my head is like a Sharks fan. When he said that, I was like, all right, my nigga, it might be time to hang it up. And then the country song was it for me.
Oh, you never been in the club with an Express shirt and you hear this come on?
Oh, it's cool, my name. Yo, this is Big nigga, Big Cat, little brother, you know what I'm saying? We're in the tunnel, you know what I'm saying? Yo, R.I.P. Big Cat, you know what I'm saying? The God, Big Dog Pit Bulls, you know what I'm saying? Supreme Big nigga, Big Cat. Got my man Ella Coach in the show, he's called El Bob.
How many microphones do you think New York rappers just destroyed?
Yo, fam.
All the sound engineers like, don't cut the mic. Don't cut the mic.
You be like this?
Don't, take your hand off it.
So, like this?
Yeah, no, take your hand off. You're doing like a weird echo effect.
Like take it off the mic completely, or like go more like this?
Okay, take it down. Move your hand down.
Okay,
down,
like this?
Down.
Like I'm holding it back?
Like down, all the way down.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like that.
Put your hand on your dick.
All right.
The other one too.
All right.
Oh man! Shout out to all my rappers that performed at venues that no longer exist.
Yo.
Because NYU bought them and turned them into dorms.
That's right.
And destroyed
That's
Lower
right.
Manhattan.
How dare you?
NYU, you guys are garbage. You kind of destroyed Uptown, and you destroyed everything below 14th
That's
Street.
right.
The Palladium?
Cowards.
You turned the Palladium into dorms.
How dare you?
How dare you? How egregious, Mike. First time, long time. I want to talk about how NYU destroyed hip-hop culture and how I saw Black Moon at the Palladium and now it doesn't exist anymore. I hang up and listen, but keep hip-hop alive, and thank you for doing your service. Whoa. And you are the sex element of hip-hop.
I gotta tell you, I mean, okay, I definitely consider myself sex element of hip-hop, of New York music and sports in general. I'm the pinnacle. And I, too, miss the days of going to Twilo with my fishnet shirt, and turning up to, Masters at Work. It was a good time in New York City. But, bottle service ruined all of that. And, Dominicans are lazy, so what can you say?
Thanks, Mike. Dominicans and Masters at Work.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Yo, Omar said turn the fuck up right now, yo.
A little Masters at Work featuring India to Be in Love.
You know what I'm saying? Ooh,
if you ever call a dentist's office and they take mad long to pick up, it's because she's grooving to this shit. She's like, yo, this is my shit.
Yo.
Hill could call back.
Fam, we could make an album called Titi Music, bro, that will guarantee
Shut the fuck up. Why are you giving away ideas? That's the name of this episode. Titi Music. Titi Music. For all my grandmas out there that's 34. You know what I'm saying?
You know what I mean?
You know what I mean?
You feel me?
Oh, listen, if you're a mother, your titties is wild heavy, your kids are stressful and don't listen.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I mean?
That's for you.
For
you.
You.
Know what I'm saying?
If you moved your kids into a nice building and your son alone turned it into a project, this album's for you.
Yo, if you come from work and your son is in the lobby dumping Dutch guts, thinking right in front of the thing, like you like, yo,
Carlos,
yo, go upstairs. Oh my God, yo, only half of this building is low income, yo.
I got high blood pressure. You don't even.
Stop, yo. Oh my God, yo.
Okay.
Oh my God. Mm-hmm. Oh my God, and you got fucking beat on my Tweety Bird scrubs.
Okay.
What's wrong with you?
Nightsa told you stop smoking inside the apartment. You don't give a fuck. You've been there 30 years. What they gonna do?
It's like smoke fucking stains on the walls and shit. Like,
niggas, where'd you get this nice black walls? They're like, it used to be white.
It used to be white, nigga.
Yeah, I'm saying. Welcome to Flavor Country.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying?
Little TT music.
I can't get no sleep. Your love is making me weak. That's how you know it's like some straight 90s house. Like,
oh shit. You gotta have that for that DT music,
you know what
man.
I'm saying? You know what I mean? A little freestyle, a little house. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? Get some, you know what I mean? Get some hype. Get some remembering their glory days and shit. Like, yo, I suck. Yo.
Bring it back.
Yo, I sucked the dick at the fever to this. Yo.
But TT music doesn't have a rate because we got that, or you got to go all the way because you could have been a TT at Skakey.
True,
you know
true. That's facts.
I suck K7's dick.
Yo. when he split from the group.
Think about it. Your grandma. Your grandma.
Got her back blown out.
He was like,
Yo, where you think you're going?
hey, what's up, Mom? So, trying to party with K7?
Yo, what's up?
Hey.
Oh, yo, that song that you got is nice. It's cool.
Okay.
Oh, that's the song that's playing right now?
Yeah.
That's you?
I'm K7.
Oh, my God.
What's up? Come in this trailer. Let's run triz on you.
Yeah, let's go. I'm with it. I don't care about them other niggas. You go first, though.
That's your abuela.
She's not, her back blown out by Stevie B in the green room and shit.
He's staring at the eyes. Like, yo, like, you don't even know. Go look if your grandma got a tramp stamp.
Facts.
That changes your relationship with her.
Yo, if she got the dripping cherries or the eyeballs in the back.
Or the Yankee logo or the cocaine.
Yeah. Stevie B been there.
If she got Orchard Beach Forever, you know what it is.
You know what it is. Oh, my God.
Orchard Beach gang.
Oh,
what happens on Orchard Beach stays on Orchard Beach?
Fam. Oh, her grandson name is Jaden, and she got that shit tatted with the little sparkle at the end of the end.
If your grandfather's too good at handball, he definitely has another family.
Hell yeah.
Okay?
Hell yeah.
My father was good as fucking handball. He had the glove.
Yo.
Also, shout out to kids that live in the hood, and we had to use that blue ball for every sport.
Every sport. Basketball,
if you ever used the blue
handball,
ball for basketball, like you was living sad. I think the saddest point of my childhood was we used to play basketball with the blue ball against a sign that said no basketball playing, and that was the hoop.
You play football with this shit, nigga hit it too hard. You be like, yo, what the fuck, nigga?
That was our last ball.
Yo, bro.
We used to shout to Park Avenue 4687. The building we went to for curbed.
Yeah.
So we were playing street baseball, which is whack in the Bronx, which means every 30 seconds you gotta get out the street before you get run over.
Car, yep.
And shout out to Juanita's sons, they were twins, because we live right by the Metro North station, where the Metro North is under the ground.
Oh, yeah, so
and if you hit the ball into the Metro North station, you had to climb a ladder to go down there and get it.
That's the nether realm.
And Juanita's sons were like graffiti artists or some shit, so or thieves, I don't know. But they were good at climbing shit.
Or both.
And they climbed down there and they got the ball and they came back and I was like, yo. I was like, you gotta teach me that shit. I was like 5. And I was like, yo, we're gonna teach you that tomorrow. Literally the next day, my father's like, get in the car, we found a new house. I was like, no!
I didn't
Teach me
my secret, no!
There would be no podcast. I would have like died the next day.
Yo,
just get hit by the fucking 525 to Connecticut. Like,
fam, I saw the graffiti video where niggas was doing graffiti on the Metro North tracks and the train came and they were like, oh shit, train. And they ran and then you just see the train come by and they disappear. Mm-hmm. And I'm like, did these niggas die? Did I just watch a snuff film?
I think the problem with the Metro North train, it goes a lot faster than most people think.
Yeah.
Because there's the local Metro North train is like, yo, I'll be there, whatever. Then you got the express ones who's like, I gotta get to my wife from Connecticut.
Yeah, I'm going to 125th, nigga. Fuck yeah, niggas.
Get away from the black people. And Metro North, the Metro North alerts are weird because they'll be like, yo, there's a deer on the tracks in fucking Upper Hamilton. You know, like, what is that? How's that affecting my Bronx commute?
Baby, be sitting there at Fordham waiting for the train and shit. The shit just blow by you like.
Or like the announcer, they're like, the 5:30 Woodlawn train is running 2 hours behind schedule. And you're like, I'm like, how? Like, my worst Metro North experience was I was waiting for the train, and so I see the train coming in reverse.
Oh,
and it backed up and let mad niggas off and shit. And at that time, there was like someone really famous on the platform with me. It was Poet from Oz.
Oh shit!
And I was talking to him. I was like, yo, like, how's a young nigga like me break into the industry? And he didn't want to talk to me. I figured it out. But
stupid. Where you at?
Yeah. Probably doing poetry.
Probably doing poetry.
Yeah, that's what he started with. But you know,
Poet was the nigga in the wheelchair.
Was Poet a nigga in a wheelchair? No. Poet was a different one. The one the nigga in the wheelchair was a different guy.
Why did they put and that dude? He's not actually in a wheelchair, is he?
No.
Why did they put him in wheelchairs in like 3 movies? I seen him in like 3 different things, and he's in a wheelchair every time. He was in Matrix in a wheelchair, and he was in Oz in a wheelchair, and he was in some other shit in a wheelchair.
Augustus Hill.
Yo,
is he not in a wheelchair? Hold on, let me double check this.
Yo, yeah, word.
I don't get in no trouble. Google image, please show him standing up. Please show him I apologize to Augustus Hill. I think he's actually in a
wheelchair.
Hold on, wait.
Oh no.
Wait, no, the actor's name is not Augustus Hill. The character from Oz is Augustus Hill. That's why he's not. Listen, I worked in a library, but I'm not good at this.
He's about to walk in here like...
His name is Harold Piranu. I can't pronounce this shit. They got too many vowels. But, hold on, wait. He's standing. He's standing. He's standing. Yeah!
He was in Showgirls.
He's in Showgirls?
Yeah,
okay.
He was like, like Jessica Turtle, like under his wing.
Okay.
Oh shit.
Got scared for a second there.
Damn.
Wow.
I literally only watched one scene in that movie.
Yeah, you know what scene it is.
Come on, dog.
Yeah. Susie Boys.
Yeah.
Who's those nasty boys? Susie Boys don't wash a thing.
No.
Oh, yeah.
All they do is jerk off into your sink. Susie. Susie Boys.
Susie, okay. Nigga, we out here. Yeah.
You know the Sushi Boys.
Yeah, we out here, dog.
We discussing. We ask you for your Wi-Fi to jerk off on porn when you're not in the house.
And then you walk in to catch niggas and we just like...
Nigga, were you jerking off? Next thing, she gets a fucking cease and desist from Optimum Cable because you were downloading illegal porn torrents on her Wi-Fi. She's like, nigga, will you download Big Wet Butt 55?
Well.
Oh.
Nigga, cut off my cable. I need that for work.
Shut up, my nigga. Shut up.
You live in reckless if you jerking off to your girl's house.
Yo, fam.
No, you live in even if you use your girl's computer to jerk off.
And you don't even go incognito? You just
if
type
you use
it.
her work computer.
Woo!
Nigga.
Oh,
it's just
my God.
just starting that Maxwell song. It's like, woo. She's like, nigga, you gave me a virus and my computer a virus.
Yo, shit, nigga. You fucking double dirty dick me. What the fuck is that?
Double dirty dick me. The other CD that comes with Titi music. Nelly thought he was only doing sweat and suit. Bodega Boys double album coming right now.
Bang.
Double dirty music is music for you to turn up really loud while you jerk off and shit. He said, wait till you see my dick.
Yo,
I want to go to Trader Joe's, but I don't want to fight no white people. So
yeah, that's the.
Y'all be doing a lot in the Trader Joe's. The Trader Joe's on 14th Street. When you enter it, you get online.
No, that's like a Chinese market, open air market, dog. You don't do that. You know what I'm saying? Like
you can't say that. You've never been to China, like fucking MAGA voter. What is that? It's like fucking Astoria.
Yo,
you're just trying to buy a TV, next thing you run into a ramen shop.
I watched fucking Eddie Wong take me on a tour of it. He showed me it was wild hectic. I would change that to Food Bazaar. You know what I'm saying? All the Dominican titis fighting over the plátanos and shit. Like, yo, nah, this one's not GMO. Give me that one.
It says Food Bazaar.
Yo, shout out to Food Bazaar on 174.
You know that theme song, right?
No.
How bizarre. Hi, welcome to Food Bazaar. Today, cans of green beans are 5 for $10. Be sure to use your Food Bazaar frequent bazaar card.
Yeah.
Our savings are bizarre.
Oh my God.
They gotta stop right there because that's all they can license.
If you buy 10 plátanos, we'll give you a 20-pound bag of Carolina rice.
Oh shit.
For free.
I love hood supermarkets because they have this thing now where it's like the family meals and like, yo, family meal one pork chop, family meal two pork chops, one pig. Then they got family meal 16. It's like 4 pigs, 1 elephant, 9 pounds of bacon. And you're like, yo, who?
Yo, is this the secret families pack, nigga? Like, cause yo, I'm feeding like multiple families with this shit.
We gotta remake Quincy Jones' Secret Garden, but it's about secret families. Is that for Titi music? Yo, ma, I will take care of you as long as you don't put these videos on YouTube. You are my secret family, and I love you the same. Yeah. Take this old merch, wear it with pride. Oh, I'm not gonna visit you anymore because your mom's a bitch.
Yo, speaking of secret families, yo, we talk about that shit so much, bro. I think Jim Gaffigan just absconded with our idea, dog.
Why? What'd he do?
He got a movie or some shit coming out called I think it's literally called Secret Family.
But he's white.
But he's like, he has 2 families in the same town.
It's not the same. It's not the same. Because that's whimsical. Like, if I had a secret family, I'd get stabbed. If you had a secret family, Heather would kill you.
Yeah,
okay? Our secret family would be mad dark. It'd be like Beyonce's, the movie she had where the guy was like stalking her, like, where the woman was stalking her husband.
Yo.
There's nothing.
Yo, you get murked.
No one ever, the secret family very rarely ends with the Spider-Man meme, like,
oh!
Except at the funeral.
Yeah, it's like, oh, shit.
Because then the fucking announcer got to be fucking messy. He's like, will the family sit in the first row? And all of a sudden, it's musical chairs.
Oh, shit. Ain't enough seats up front. Yo, we need some British chairs up front.
Like, excuse me. He said the family.
Yeah. The one that he claimed and had pictures of?
No, yeah, we have... no, this is for his like actual family.
No.
So I think you...
So that's us.
No, that's us.
Because we have a car.
And they take photos, and the photos have all the same background and shit. He took us both to Arby's.
Wow.
That was our spot.
Oh, my God.
They had the meats.
Where'd you go on your anniversary?
Lobster box.
Lobster box. Oh my God!
Niggas walk up and punch the corpse. Punch him right in his dick.
Niggas do the fucking heavy with the niggas head.
You're no good. They slap the corpse in the face. It's not wired properly, so his head just turned like.
Yeah.
But listen, that's the best way for you to see. And then afterwards, you could talk about it. It was like, oh, let me ask. He have a long dick, you?
Yeah, he did.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hit the bottom?
Yeah. He hit the bottom of the pussy.
Oh.
You know what?
It's problematic though, because like, what if he was eating the choke for one family, but not the other?
Not for the other. Oh. See? And then the boyfriend is like, yo, did he eat your ass? And she's like, no.
No, he said that was disgusting.
Oh.
Oh. You ever pee in your mouth?
No. He said that was unsanitary.
He's just having laughing like.
Niggas having like.
He laughing with Martin Luther King. He was like, yo, you was nasty to them hoes.
Yeah.
There's a new report came out and it says that there's like secret tapes from the government and it said like Martin Luther King either watched or assisted in a rape.
What?
Fam. And they're like, and so there's an article that's like, is Martin Luther King canceled? And I was like, I don't know. Like, let's find out all the facts. I feel like that's a slippery slope because if you cancel Martin Luther King, you're going to cancel like
civil rights. Civil rights period.
I don't want to be. I don't want to be on the back of the bus.
Yo, nah.
We're gonna have.
I also don't want to lose a holiday either, to be honest, because I'm a lazy nigga.
Arizona was like, nah, we good on holidays.
We good. Y'all niggas go to work at 115 degrees. Oh, you work outside? Couldn't be me.
I think Arizona might be, check me, but I think Arizona might be one of the states that celebrates Robert E. Lee Day in place of Martin Luther King Day.
God damn.
They weren't even contemporaries.
Damn.
It's just racist.
Wow.
Damn, dog.
Wow.
I think
Oh
Alabama
my
does
God.
In 1986, Arizona was like, nope. And the NFL threatened to move Super Bowl XXVII. I didn't go to school. So, in 1993.
27.
Wow.
27. Yeah.
Wow. 27 rings, bro. Wow.
But in 2000, they made it an official state holiday.
Who did that, though? Was it John McCain?
No,
made the
it wasn't
decision
John
on that?
McCain.
It was John McCain?
I had a fucked up jump. You know what? I'll just hit the problem back like I'm saying. John McCain didn't vote on it because couldn't lift his hand for it. Anyway.
Who voted that shit? Like, who voted to...
Jim Hodges.
Oh.
Jim Hodges.
Who?
Do you know what the last state to recognize MLK Day as a paid holiday was?
Don't say me.
Come on, let's guess. Everyone in the room. So at the count of three, we yell out. 1, 2, 3.
Alabama.
South Carolina.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, yeah.
Not surprised.
Yeah. Also, and here's a little bit from WhatsApp from my aunt. She said that the Raptors winning is only for Toronto. It's not for the rest of Canada because remember Rob Ford, who we all thought was like wild, cuddly, and lovely because he was smoking crack and all that shit. Apparently, he was like really bad and like kind of like low key racist. Not low key, but some of his rules were racist. And there was a court in Rexdale. Yes, Auntie, I'm getting it correct. She wanted me to talk about this. It's a big deal to her.
Yeah.
Preach.
They didn't want
Titi's Devils.
They didn't want the basketball courts to have nets because it was attracting black people. And now those same politicians are like celebrating the Raptors winning. So,
wow.
Are you happy, Auntie?
Wow.
All right. The grandchild will come soon.
Yo, wow.
Jeez.
That's wild. I thought it was mad like woke and progressive because their super fan is a sick dude.
There's mad like racist Canadians.
Damn.
But they're polite racists.
Yeah.
They're like,
could you tell me
we're burning a cross on your lawn, but we also we donated to ASFA to offset your carbon footprint. They're to be racist in Canada on their level of racism because they have like people with MAGA hats and like Confederate flags, and it's like, excuse you, like that's not even my nigga. You showing Call of Duty logos at Fortnite. Like these two things do not have nothing to do with each other.
Yo.
But it's like the people up in the mountains and shit. Well,
oh yeah,
stereotypically up in the mountains, but they be downtown Toronto too.
Oh shit, they creep down there. They be down there.
Also, let's not talk about the housing problem in Toronto. They're like, yo, fam, we just won. Why are you?
Can you let us live? Can you let us live? We like, yo,
also, you're in the Bronx.
Y'all want to celebrate?
Stupid! I'm not gonna let you get the chance.
Not even. We're Knicks fans. You don't want to see no one happy.
We haters. You know what I'm saying? Straight up. That's it. You know what I mean?
I'm a nigga at your wedding. Like, 69, 67, 68. Okay, maximum occupancy is 65. Hello, fire inspector. Yeah, I got a problem right here.
Yeah. It's 69 niggas in here. It's supposed to be 65.
Then I light a firecracker and throw it on the dance floor. I do it during the fucking father-daughter dance.
Replace all the birthday candles, all the candles on the cake with fucking sparklers and shit.
Just let out a shot in front of the dessert tray and shit. Like, yo, party done.
Yo, it's over, nigga. It's
over.
Fuck out of here.
What's the worst wedding you ever been to?
Worst wedding I ever been to? I want to say, damn, my sister-in-law's wedding, because it was like, I knew it was going to be short-lived. You know what I'm saying? Like, no, you know what I'm saying? No shots. You know what I'm saying? She knows what it is.
You know what? Not to cut you off, but there's nothing worse than when niggas is like, yo, your wedding's going to be short-lived. And you that nigga?
Yeah.
Because during my engagement, niggas was like, my sister was like, y'all niggas not getting married. I was like, we are in love. We are in love.
Fam, yo,
Yeah,
there's a lot of layers to the story, and it could get very problematic, so I'm not going to go there. All I'm going to say is that
this shit ain't work out.
Just say it.
This shit ain't work out. And leave it at that.
Shit ain't work out, but it was a backyard wedding.
Leave it at that, Mero.
You know what I'm saying?
Mero, leave it at that.
You know what I'm saying? No, this is not the problematic part. This is what made it whack.
Okay.
Is that it was a backyard ass wedding. There was no, like, you know, when you go to a wedding, dog, you want like a cocktail hour. You want shorties there that you don't know, that you could like talk to and shit like that. And like, you know what I mean? You want to turn up. You want a good DJ and shit. Nah, fam. None of that. Like fucking Pandora on with the ads. You know what I'm saying? Like on a fucking Bluetooth speaker. Bridge chairs on the lawn.
Yikes.
You know what I mean? A fucking one of them little gazebo shits. Like, bruh.
I always thought gazebo was racist.
Yo.
I didn't know. Whoa, look at all these fucking gazebos.
Look at these fucking gazebos out
It
here.
should be a nice neighborhood now.
Yeah.
All I hear, the gazebos drive around blasting Future.
Yeah. Fucking gazebos.
Whoa. Let me see your Z, you fucking gazebo.
Yeah. You got a zipper? Yo, them gazebos with the zipper be coming through in the summertime.
Wait, big announcement. We're officially on Spotify now, right?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Shout out to Victor, the facts guy.
For a little bit. Oh yeah.
Shout out to Victor, the facts guy. The Bodega Boys are officially on Spotify.
You know what I'm saying? You can fuck with us on there. Now you stop crying.
I just want to say one thing. I did not change the artwork. That is the responsibility of that communist over there. It truly is the end of an era.
It's the end of the era. Killed it. But you know what? We had to move forward.
Yeah, we did.
Because the brand on Spotify, listen, the brand, we not even on steroids. Like, brolic ain't even a word, fam. We on ad, we on Spotify.
Fam,
also, to be fair, the brand did
Barry
not own
Bonds
that
hats.
picture we've been using. So,
So shout out to him.
Rolling Stone.
Thank you. No, I asked the photographer. He was like, it was cool. Yeah.
Yo, check him out online at Grifflots.
Yes, but no, we out here. The brand is expanding. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to us still. We're no longer the dirty guys from the Bronx. We're still dirty from the Bronx. So I like that.
You know what I'm saying?
That's not an applause. I always love when people run. They're like, "Yo, Jesus in the Bronx." I was like, "Yo, what's up? The fuck is up? What you want?" They're like, "Nah, I fuck with the show." I was like, "Oh, you fuck with the show like that? Keep it moving then, nigga."
Yo, I know I'm still a dirty nigga from the
nigga.
Bronx because I'm like, I go to the mall with my kids and shit, and they'll grab. You know how kids like take shit and just like walk around the store with it, and I'm just like, and it's like, put that back. I'm like, yo, Joe,
Just take that shit.
I'm like, yo, just walk out. They ain't gonna say shit.
Put that shit down the leg. Yeah. No, the other day I was like right there, and I could have stole something, and it was like, do it, Desus.
Yeah,
steal that shit, nigga.
Yeah, fuck big
and I
corporations.
was like, why?
I
was like, why? This person's probably gonna get in trouble. The loss prevention people gonna get involved. I was like, you could buy this. I was like, it's a principle.
It's a principle, nigga.
I have personally seen Mero scout the ceiling of an apparel store, making well into six figures by this point, and start looking like that dog that can't resist cupcakes because he was sitting right next to some Nike tech. He has them in flavors sent directly from Nike, but you know what I'm talking about.
You know what it is?
He had the wild anime sweat.
I never thought I would say this, but
Hold back the shoplifting behavior.
listen, I never thought I would say this statement, but Winona Ryder, I get it.
You know what I'm saying?
I get it.
It's like, yo, can I do this shit?
Sometimes it's like, yo, ask for forgiveness, not permission.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? Do what you gonna do. Do what you gonna do in living color. All the Wayans come in and cross colors and shit.
Yo, shit, yo.
Keep your head up, what? Keep your head up. That's right. We are living. Also, I would like to announce our reboot, Living Single, coming to BET this season.
That's right.
It's me,
you know what I'm saying?
Mero, Hasan, and Victor.
That's right. You know
Victor, you got hair in my turntable. I got a gig at Locksmith tonight.
Yo, that's crazy.
Shit gonna be crazy.
But look at that. Look at the do on Hasan though.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You know he's really the main character.
You know what I'm saying?
Hasan the guy. Give it up for him. Yeah.
He's getting all the buns and shit. We mad.
Exactly.
He's like, yo, where you going? He's packing a suitcase. He's like, oh, I'm going to Ibiza.
Yeah.
Yo, I got a couple cents.
I come down the steps in my robe. I'm like, hello, young lady. Can I help you? Nah, I'm just here because Hasan blew my back out. I'm like, Hasan!
He's like, yo, call, you hear from upstairs, yo, call that bitch an Uber.
We got to have a house meeting about rules. Hasan, the amount of women you're bringing to the house can only be explained as trailer load. So, well, because it's like the 90s, like Shabba Ranks really comes in. Trailer load. Trailer, he starts performing in the fucking living room and shit. She got nothing to do with the plot line. Like, none of our backstories add up. Like, Victor runs, like, the biggest real estate company in New York. Yeah, we're all still roommates.
It's better that way.
Mero runs a Latino heritage magazine. I run a Jamaican heritage magazine. They have nothing to do with it. Mine is called, like, Carib.
And mine is called Carib with 2 B's. With, like, an accent on the A. Like, yo.
Oh, shit. MTV2 was like, can we buy the syndication rights?
Yo, before I even make one episode, we want the syndication rights, yo. We need that.
We're forcing, like, guests into it. Oh, wow. My cousin A Boogie is here.
Oh, wow.
He just comes through with a microphone.
Yo, he's just like, yo. Nigga turns the shower on. He's like, yo, I'm drowning. Help me. I'm drowning.
I use it now. We teach people about CPR. I'm like, 1, 2. Oh, I can't do it right. 1, 2. Maybe I can help you. Oh, wow, it's Sierra. And she's like, everybody, shit. 1, 2, press. 1, 2, press. 1, 2, press. I'm like, that's enough. We ain't out. Like, you saved him. He's good.
The Russell Wilson. No. I think he needs mouth to mouth. He needs mouth to mouth. You gotta make sure. We gotta make sure. Yo, son.
There's an episode where Victor goes to the bodega. He gets pressed by gang members, so we gotta go there and we pretend we're gang members. And we're like, hey, we want to be down. And then Brandy comes through. She's like, I want to be down. She's performing. And she ends the beef by performing.
All the gang members become dancers and shit.
It's us and Hasan and Victor. We're all dancing behind the gang members and shit. Welcome to... we're also wearing, like, historical black college shit. Victor got a Howard University sweatshirt. I got that weird Morehouse hat that had, like, the thing on the top. And, like, a cutoff sleeve.
Shit tied to the top. Yo! Them shits is mad long for no reason. I'm like, yo, is this a hat or a sleeping bag, my nigga? Yo, the fuck is this? Why do you could have sewed the top? You gotta tie this shit?
Oh, shit.
I gotta wake up every morning and tie my hat, nigga?
Oh, shit.
Your mom smack you in the back of the head coming out of school like, tie your hat, boy.
Oh, shit.
That's how the germs get in.
We got a spin-off. It's Victoria Dyad had like fucking Spellman. Yeah. And Jamila don't like that shit. Jamila don't like that shit. Oh.
Yo, CBS, holla at your boys.
Listen, these are shows.
Yo, come on, B. These are fully fleshed out.
I actually would watch that last show.
Hell yeah.
I mean, they put Marissa Tomei in fucking, what was it called? A
Different World.
A Different World. What was the name of Hillman. Which was clearly Spellman, but like a mix of him. And she cooked for the first season, but then she left. I think, but
was it economic anxiety?
No, I think it was. I think it might have been something to do with Cosby. But also, she had my cousin Vinny.
That's right. Yeah. She had
and she was like, later, suckers, I'm off to Hollywood with big films for me. So, and then Dwayne Wade was like,
Yo, this is the last thing I'm gonna do. Did he? Well, nah, that wasn't him in Homeboys in Outer Space, was it?
Homeboys in Outer Space. Oh wow.
Remember that?
So,
I think it was.
yeah.
Was that Kadeem Hardison?
Or was it Flex?
It was Flex. Flex and Darryl Bell. Childhood Flex. Flex is a legendary thespian.
Yeah, he played
did.
Michael Jackson.
He played Michael.
Jackson.
He played Michael. He played Michael Jackson. I don't know if I played Michael Jackson, nigga.
Yo, fam, I'm like, yo, this is a great. I turned into Stephen A when I see this. I was like, this is egregious. They disrespected Michael Jackson.
They weren't even playing like Michael Jackson was like. So it's exciting night. I'm like, what is this?
You are really scared because we are dead people.
Sally Mae is not my lender. I'm like, this is not
like,
whack.
well, what the fuck is this?
So you can hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it. Drugs are really hard, just quit it.
Got that fentanyl.
So Homeboys in Outer Space, the plot centers around two astronauts, Tiberius Tire Walker
Wow.
and Morris Clay, who flew around the universe in a wing car.
Wow. Wow.
Nicknamed the Space Hoopty.
Wow.
In the 23rd century, the duo's car, which was a cross between a lowrider and an 18-wheeler, was piloted by a talking female computer named Laquita.
Wow. What?
And this is the part where we jump to the reception part of the Wikipedia page.
Yo.
The series was panned by critics and canceled by UPN after one season. It was listed on TV Guide's list of the 50 worst TV shows of all time. Okay? And the funny thing is, they're gonna have to bump it off for our show.
Yeah, that's right.
They're gonna be like, it was just two guys saying the N-word all the time. And one of them, he called himself the kid. He had 4 kids. He was like 40. And that other one, he was not even Jamaican. They're gonna do a deep dive. They're gonna be like, why was your show so bad? I was like, listen, like,
Yeah, I don't know.
I got caught up. Like, I had a bad drug problem. Victor was taking advantage of me, and David Nevins knew we were stupid. So, like, I don't know. I thought we were signing up to be on the shot.
Yo, you know what I'm saying?
We were gonna cook gyros.
Bro,
Like,
you know
Lena
what I'm
Waithe died to us.
saying? Yeah, bro.
Like, yo.
Fuck, dog. Regina Hall said, yo, good luck on your little show.
I can't wait for them to renew the show, and I'm gonna just like be like that actress from the show on what was it, Fresh Off the Boat. And I'm like, fuck. They're like, it's a good thing. I was like, it's not a good thing.
Yo, I worked on a passion project for years.
I would like to be in a movie.
Yo.
I'm announcing. I will not be on the show. I am working on my new passion project, John Henry.
Niggas
I've just been working out with Michael B. Jordan. I got like mad fucking muscles. It's like a story about me fighting a train with a hand. That John Henry story didn't make no sense.
Nah, it did not at all.
Cause in the end, like he died.
Yeah. He hammered the shit so hard that he died of exhaustion at the end.
John Henry with Fruitvale Station before Fruitvale
That's
Station.
right. He made Fruitvale Station. Hot take. You know what I'm saying?
If this was the Flintstones and the Project Light was a dinosaur, he'd be like, yo, what the fuck?
Yo, come on.
He'd be like smoking, he'd be like,
Give me a break, guys.
It's a living. He's like, these guys are wearing me out. And then like when was Dildo comes out like, oh, you want to trade jobs? You just hear the song like, and the next scene is like Fred using a pterodactyl as a diaper. You know what the next scene in the Flintstones wasn't? Fred going next door to their black neighbors.
Oh,
yeah, we're the black
shit,
people.
huh?
We're the black people. Huh?
Why couldn't Barney be black?
So then think about it. The Flintstones take place in the Caucasus Mountains.
Oh, shit.
And we thought that I don't know about the dinosaur part. I didn't know that part. But they were living in caves.
That's true.
And we had like colleges in Africa.
Yakub's lived in
When
caves?
Fred Flintstone was powering his car with his feet,
Yep.
we were building the pyramids.
Fred Flintstone didn't even have drawers, my nigga. He didn't even have pants.
Oh. He ain't have no math system.
Nigga had a tunic.
Did you ever see any kind of currency on the Flintstones?
Hell no.
No.
Niggas play with shit with rocks. That nigga worked at a rock quarry.
We need to make a show for kids, and it's like the Flintstones, but he's mad woke and black.
Yeah.
And he's a Moor, and he goes to Europe and teaches white people how to bathe.
Yeah. He's like, yo, you have to wash your legs.
What is that, soap?
Yeah. We work up a good lather.
It's foaming.
Here, take this.
Oh.
Take this. It's a washcloth.
Have you guys heard the latest saga on white Twitter?
What is
about Anna Marie Cox?
Cox?
It sounded not a porn star. Thought so too.
Oh, okay, yeah. No.
Apparently, she was in the bathroom. She did not wash her hands. And she was even in the bathroom. A lady was like, "Are you not going to wash your hands?" And she tweeted, and she was like, "Isn't that lady rude?"
Oh wow! Oh
and everybody was like, "Yeah, it wasn't the lady."
Yeah, nah.
It was like, "Nigga, that's how the Black Plague spread. Like, wash your hands.
Wash your fucking hands." That's the number one thing they teach. Like, yo, they teach you that shit in preschool.
They teach you songs
about the shit. Like, yo,
what is it? Is it A B C D?
Sing Happy Birthday twice.
Birthday, yeah,
sing Happy Birthday twice while you wash your hands.
They taught us do the alphabet.
Oh, okay.
A B C D E F G. You gotta fully wash it.
Also, get in between your fingers and do the tops of your hands, B.
Unless you didn't touch your dick.
You know what I'm saying?
There you go. But the problem is washing your hands. If other people don't wash their hands, all that washing your hands is undone when you touch the handle.
True.
So you gotta use a napkin.
That's why you gotta use a napkin.
But if you're in a place with the air dryers, what do you do? What do you do if your son is at home all alone on the bedroom floor and he's starving? And the only way to feed him is to sleep with a man for a little bit of money because your daddy's home. So we're talking rock down. So we're rock down. This sounds like life, but the reason is what you call life. Yeah.
Shout to City High, you know what I'm saying?
Shout to City High.
And the nigga that used to drink vodka like this.
They call that shit City High because them niggas was in the City High. What them niggas like in Patterson? The niggas was stealing cars at night. Yo, man. Them niggas would have performances just to steal niggas Hellcats.
Yo, the only reason I remember Shorty's name too is because Prodigy has a song on like the Mob Deep Free Agents mixtape where he's talking about like, you know when Biggie had that song like Dreams and fucking an R&B chick, you know what I'm saying? Prodigy did like a version of that.
You remember she had a song all for herself.
Oh, she had her own joint?
It was on City High, Caramel.
Oh, 5'5" with brown eyes like the sunrise, fire like the sunrise. Rise.
If you're 5'5", you're not a real woman. You're a midget. Anyway, we're continuing forward. Let's keep going. You can't say midget, right? I forgot. I thought you were saying the 5'5" part was problematic. I apologize. Is 5'5" short for a woman?
I think that's average height.
How tall are you? 5'6".
So we above average.
Above
you know
average.
What I'm saying?
You know
on this side, Bodega gang nigga.
All right. They got no problem reaching those high cabinets.
They mad tall. They don't got to call and be like, yo, come get my cereal down.
That changes the whole dynamic of the relationship.
Yeah.
Because, like, yo, if you could take your girl's house keys, put them on the top of the fridge, and now she's late for work. Yo.
Are you dating cats, my nigga? Niggas like hiding shit from them. Like, yo. Go get it. Go get it.
Mr. Whiskers.
Go get it. You see a nigga like calculating, like, yo, if I jump on that, like, letter holder.
On the table, jump over there. I don't know how high that potted plant is, but.
I don't know the stability levels, but fuck it. We gonna do this shit.
No, you never dated a girl that you could stop while like pushing her forehead?
Oh yeah.
And she gets just mad high. Yeah. She's just mad upset.
Yo, it was funny because like my ex girl was like wild, like violent, and like used to hook off at any moment.
Yeah.
And like all I had to do was stick my hand out, like the stupid shit that they do in Looney Tunes. So you put your hand on their head and they just swinging. I'm just like, yo, chill. I'm gonna call your mother. I told the team like, yo, I'm gonna call your moms. Stop playing. Yo, listen, put that shit down. Yo, that's a knife.
Yo.
That's a knife.
I remember my ex was like 5'3", and she was at a house party fucking wilding. And I was like, yo, you are what? She was drunk. She was trying to fight people. She was like, you don't tell me what to do. And I was like, we're going home. The car's here. We're going home. She was like, I'm staying. I just picked her up. I just picked her up and carried her out like a baby. She was so mad. She was like biting me on my shoulder. I was like, you're going to sleep good in the car. Get in the car.
As soon as you get in the car,
little nigga. Passed out and shit.
Of course.
Woke up the next morning. She was like, how was last night? I was like,
oh, how was last night? Check your text messages.
Okay. Oh, you can't because you dropped your phone in the toilet.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, guess who called the bar and asked them to look for it? Me.
Ugh. Dating actually is hotter now because, like, we all know the world is going to end.
Oh, yeah.
So now the people aren't really dating long term now. It's like for a good time, not a long time.
Yeah, that's true.
So, you know?
Yeah. Like, yo.
It's just like, who do you want to be with when the sun burns out?
True.
Next year. I think people don't realize global warming is like coming faster than we think. We're literally going to be in the Showtime office and like the ocean is just going to rise.
Fam, I'm a low-key science nerd. I read about this shit every day. Like, fam,
This nigga lying.
Sea levels are
This
rising.
nigga reading fucking Ranger Rick.
Yo, not deadass. That's my one.
He's
like
like
that's my
building.
thing.
He's building volcanoes with his kids
You know what
and
I'm
like
saying?
going like, oh.
Oh my god, it's a chemical reaction. Yo, but fucking fam, this shit is serious.
Serious?
The ice caps are melting and sea levels are
Well,
rising.
Megan Thee Stallion, she told her fans to pick up bottles when they go to the beach. That's
Okay.
their way of saving the environment. So we
Okay.
have to ask the Bodega Hive, recycle your Nutcracker bottles.
That's right.
Thank you.
This summer, when you finish your Nutcracker, reuse.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? Don't worry about the BPA. It's all good.
Also,
You know what I'm
don't
saying?
throw out your Timbs. Just because your Timbs are scuffed, wear them inside. Now
Yeah.
they're house Timbs. Take
That's
out
it.
the laces.
That's it.
Your downstairs neighbor might not like it, but fuck them.
It don't matter. You know what I'm saying? Fuck them. Who cares?
You know when you got a pair of Timbs, you've been wearing them forever, and they basically feel like Uggs because they're so soft because you've broken them in.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All you gotta do is throw on a pair of ankle socks and shit and you good.
Yeah, I'm taking the garbage out, Timbs. Yeah. I'm getting the shopping bags to the car, Timbs.
I don't care what falls on these shits, Tim.
Yeah. You dig out the car with them. It's a dirty pair of Timbs.
You be squatting down like Eddie Kendrick, creasing the shit out them shits,
The
like
shit
not
out there.
caring. Like,
They're
yo.
like, give me more, daddy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh shit! It's June 14th. It's almost spit in someone's mouth season.
Hey, what's
shout out to
poppin'?
everybody. Shout out my
What's
nasty
poppin'?
niggas. Yeah,
we out here.
I want nasty
You know what I'm
women.
saying?
Yeah.
If you're nasty girl, we some nasty boys. Yeah.
To this day.
Oh, this podcast is a mess. This podcast is a mess.
It's not. It's a beautiful night there.
Oh, little Beyonce.
Hey, you
I
know
mean,
what I'm saying?
you didn't do that in C sharp, but
It's okay, listen, it was a little flat. It's early. You know what I'm saying? Let me get my vocal.
Every night
Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do.
I was like, you know what? I should have a kid named after each one of those notes.
Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti,
Doe, if you don't get your little ass over here.
Yo, re, mi, fa, sol, la. Yo, get over here.
Over here.
All of y'all.
All of y'all.
Line up in fucking octave order.
That's the wall flex though. They're like, how many kids you got? Do like
How old is it? I don't fucking know, niggas. Too many.
Your wife's pussy is just that SpongeBob meme. He's like, shit looking like a global passenger TSA. This shit shoes off when you coming out the womb.
Come on, yo.
Take your belt off.
Yo, replace the bins.
Put your placenta in the bin.
Yo.
Have your ID out.
Yo, be ready. No, listen. Oh, you're gonna have to step back.
You got a boarding pass? Nigga, I was just born.
Yo, you crowning? Yo, step back, please. Step back, please. You ringing off. Is there
If
anything
you
in your
are
pocket?
breech birth, listen, if you are a breech birth, this is the wrong lane for you.
You need to move over to the side and you need to remove all your clothing even though you are already naked.
This is mad babies with like dripping like.
Like, yo.
How long is this gonna take?
I shit in the uterus. Like, I'm covered in poop. I need to be cleaned. Fuck.
This is another baby spinning in some umbilical cord going through like fucking pre-check. Like, you guys should spend the 200.
Cornballs.
I'm just a newborn baby.
Wait.
The babies are just confused. Like, it's for babies, but not the baby.
The baby? Is it the baby? And we weren't wrong. People were trying to slander us, talking about, oh, y'all don't know about the baby. He's the big. Blah, 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 blah. Nah, it's Lil Baby is the one that's super popping.
Well, the baby's also popping.
But like on Lil Baby level, like drip to fucking around you jam.
I mean, no, the baby got joints. He got a joint with Megan Thee Stallion.
Oh,
like
that?
the only joint on her album.
Okay.
Like it's like how Shine only had one guest on his debut album. The illustrious Barrington Levy.
Yeah. Whoa. Swing.
There was that one, and there was also a love song for my hood niggas.
Yeah, he's like, yeah. Get up on the hood, ma. I ain't done yet.
I went to a wedding. This was the song they came out with.
Yo, Sean and Barrington had a little run. They had a little 1-2 combo.
They did. They did. What was the other one?
Yo,
Bad Boys.
Bad Boys.
Bad
Yeah.
Boys.
Yeah.
You know now I'm thinking about he does not sound like Biggie at all, but I guess that's the narrative we're going with.
Yeah. What type of nigga hanging back in the streets?
Come on. What type of nigga slinging bang in the streets?
bad boy.
What type of nigga stay in the trunk for weeks?
I love videos like this because now looking back, I was just like, yo, they were in dangerous locations.
Yo.
But now that we work on TV, I was like, yo, there's a whole production staff.
Yo.
At the end of the day, the gunman signed like a sheet. The SAG agent was there like, are you guys comfortable?
Yeah. Are
Okay.
you guys okay? What do you need?
Don't do over 8 hours.
Yep, remember.
They do over 8 hours to call me.
Yeah. It's like 20 niggas like Chiefs standing outside, like, yo, with earpieces on, like, yo, y'all niggas ain't getting anywhere near the set.
Nah. Bad man walk through. Bad man keep walking.
Shout out to Barrington Levy, yo. Longevity.
He got joints.
Barrington longevity.
We got to get him to do an intro.
Word.
We need to start getting famous people to do intros.
Facts.
We haven't run out of sketches, but I mean, like, maybe we get tired. I mean, we could definitely, we can get to the point where, like, we can just, like, fucking just air this in.
Yeah.
Just phone this shit in.
Oh, my God.
Like, I send my part of the podcast via a voice note to Victor.
God. I'm just, like, in bed with my eye mask still on and shit, like, just, like, responding.
We
like,
send it to Hasan. He's just cutting and pasting the shit. It's like deep fakes for podcasts and shit.
It's like how I made the Tupac album.
Yeah. Chappelle season 3. Well, Mero, it looks like the Toronto Raptors have won the 2019 NBA championship. That's crazy.
Yo, that's wild.
De lo mio.
Personal.
Problematic like Brandon Brolick. Oh, wow, Victor.
Yo, Victor is in here.
Bodega Boys. Grind Boys
Shut up,
them.
my nigga, shut up.
Yo, drop the bomb. Drop a bomb. Drop a bomb.
P.O. Gotta hear both sides.
Yo.
People still listening. They're like, it kind of changed.
Yo, it's a little different.
It still died for the hobby, though.
Yo.
I mean, I don't want to stop. No, niggas listen to this shit is whack. They look down. They got the art emoji tattoo and shit. They're like, yo,
I just pull out the box cutter like, fuck!
Shit off? Wow, that was dark. No, the proper way to remove a tattoo as a real nigga, you get rock salt. And you just rub it off.
Just rub it off, yeah.
Rub it off.
Facts. Oh, battery acid.
You get mad high, just be like, motherfucker! No, but if you cut it off and you send it to the person whose name that whose name you had tattooed on you.
What happens? Is that a felony?
No, that's just good.
This is good.
You gotta show up at their house like, yo, got your tattoo right here.
Yeah, yo, I got your tattoo, stupid.
Little Iman, fuck you.
Yeah.
I don't want you back.
I don't want you back.
You know what I'm saying? When you break up with a broad on Staten Island.
Yeah.
You see her with a new nigga.
Fuck you. I'm like, yo, how did this nigga, like, he's just talking. Like, is he singing?
You see her with a new nigga and you slap a slice of pizza out her hand. Like,
yo, I hate you.
I hate you.
You trash. Oh, you thought he was going to eat that pizza?
Stupid. I'm not going to let you get the
Don't you dare go to the mermaid parade. Oh, man.
Shit, yo. Oh, my God. Yo, damn. Canadian basketball champions. Yo, shout out to Drake. You know what I'm saying? Yo.
You know what? Think about this. Canada never won a championship when Obama was president.
Oh, shit. Trump is somehow going to take credit for this.
That way he's outsourcing it?
Yeah. He's like, the United States is in shambles. We are so divided that a Canadian team won at an American sport. That's how divided we are. It's incredible.
So
unbelievable.
Sad. So
sad state of affairs.
What do you do? What do we do? What do you do with a problem like Maria? I mean,
I can't wait till this is just like us doing vocal runs.
That's what it's turned into, right? We want an album so bad.
Oh, so bad.
Yo. I think it's the mics. It's like we watch American Idol and The Voice.
Yo.
I'm not going to lie. I think it was Coachella. If you ask Tommy, like I'm sitting there, like everyone's enjoying it. I was like, I could do this.
Yo,
I was like, I could do this.
What makes me feel that way is like no type of like musical experience or nothing.
None.
It's just the Ghostface album where he got the mic into Supreme Clientele. He's just like, yo,
it's like
strawberry
not to brag,
ZD.
It's Don Levitard said it. He was like, the amount of confidence you guys have, and that's a weird thing because someone was like, yo, we seem nervous on the first episode, and I was like, excuse you?
Word?
The first episode of Showtime, I was like, no.
I
don't think we've ever felt nervous.
Nah. Okay. We were nervous about our beards. I think that's what it was.
Those beards were
very problematic.
Those beards were
yo, should have just told homie.
Relax.
Yo, see how we pull out the Beijing, be like
I was like, yo, relax. You're doing a lot with that right there.
Yo.
But no, the brand is strong.
Yeah, nigga, we out
The confidence
here.
is strong.
You know what I'm saying? I'm sorry for the bitch on the first episode.
It's a fraud, it's a fraud, it's a fraud.
Niggas had the Lego beards. Niggas had the fucking My Pillow, I smoke crack beards.
Yo!
For the best night's sleep in the whole wide world, visit mykrills.com. Smoke crack.
Who's on crack?
Nigga, I'll trade this pillow for crack. Yeah, man, I was just smoking crack in 09.
Fam.
I need to see that movie. How did he get? Who gave him crack in the first place?
Fam. How did, this.
Yes, this is the third week we are talking about this because this matters.
Yes,
this is important.
When you descend into crack, this you can't just do a 3-point turn out of that. You know what I'm saying? You gotta hit rock bottom and then come
that's
back.
A cul-de-sac, all right? One way in, one way out.
You know what I'm saying?
Your man went from smoking the krill. Your man went from puffing underneath aluminum foil to now have a net worth of $200 million. What is your story?
Yo, come on, son.
Because usually it goes the opposite way. You're worth $200 million, and then you start smoking
krills.
And then you invent a pillow. Then you show it to people. You got a GoFundMe for niggas who can't see. You got bodega cats and shit. You got pitch meetings with them.
Yo,
but your man, listen.
Yo, he's out here.
Does he? Oh wow.
He's maggot out, but he's out here.
Wait. Hold the fuck up. He started his company in 2004.
Wow. Oh, so it's a long.
There's a crack overlap.
Wow.
There's a crack overlap. There's a crack overlap. Hey, there's a crack overlap. Hey, crack overlap.
Hey.
I know everyone that worked with him was like, when he came, in 09, he was like, yo.
He come in like,
yo, you guys got pillows, bro? You know what I'm saying? I got
the accountant was probably like, yo, what the fuck? It was like, okay.
I mean,
this one for shipping, this one for pillows. There's just 100 million missing.
Hit nigga insult everybody's intelligence and call it a fucking company meeting. It's like, hey, there's been mad pillows missing. We got to look into this, but not too deeply. But
someone's stealing pillows.
Yeah,
one of you was stealing pillows.
It's not me. It's definitely not me.
Sir, you're sweating. You're sweating and the AC's on.
I mean, it's because I'm so nervous about the pillows and the loss that we may take this quarter with the pillow loss. Papa, you gonna come outside or no? Where you are? What the fuck are you doing? I sat here waiting with the
I got petty cash. Julio doesn't take corporate cards.
Papi, hurry the fuck up!
They're gonna pay you in pillows.
Papi, yo tengo cocinado aquí. ¿Qué lo que? What are you doing?
I got a blowjob pillow.
Hey, papi, no, si no.
So basically, the point of this podcast is don't smoke crack and run a pillow company.
Yeah.
Is that what we learned?
Because you might be successful, but you probably will not be. So don't smoke krills while you are starting your startup.
He probably was smoking. He probably was sleeping on a big old crack rock.
Yo.
That probably was the original My Pillow.
My Pillow.
He probably was trying to ship niggas rocks.
Nigga, my Krillo, nigga. Nigga's like, my Krillo. He's like, yo, wait a minute.
That's it, My Krillo.
My Krillo.
Krillos to your door. My Krillo. Get the best night's sleep in the whole wide world.
MyKrillo.com. Do you want to steal your neighbor's kid's bike? Try My Krillo.
It's been episode 162. It's been your boy Jesus Nice, aka Young Chipotle,
You know what I'm saying?
aka Pockets Face Fat like Cheerio, aka Pockets Stay Fat like here we go. That's right, we keep it clean because we won't be in the Nickelodeon's Teen Choice Awards. We're gonna be in there and tell kids to get abstinence rings.
That's right.
Shit is weird.
You can't get AIDS if you don't fuck.
In the pussy. Someone that might know you, bitch. Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego, Mr. Nando's with their Rondo. Listen to Lady Ganga saying Fernando. 1994 in Nueva York. Mikel going off. The Juve boss. Yeah. MC Luka Gunga.
Okay.
I'm pulling up from 40 with your shorty.
That's right.
I'm in the Uber pool.
So?
Well, before I got in the Uber pool, I looked at the license plate. Mm-hmm. I checked the driver's rating.
Check the driver's rating. Make sure it was a correct Uber.
I did the nod.
Yes.
And I put my headphones, and they were like, I was like,
no.
I
No.
don't know you.
No.
Shut up, my nigga, shut up.
That's it.
The original plus one got plus one, so don't make a fuss on.
That's right.
These are Rossi, the Jamaican Jew. Jamaican avocado toast. I say that because we actually ate avocado toast
You know what I'm saying?
in LA.
And it was delicious.
It was.
It was.
It's a little excessive. I mean,
It was. There was truffle oil involved. And
avocado was like, you get like an avocado for like 99 cents.
Yeah, that's true.
Bread, a whole loaf of bread is $2.
Yeah.
Okay, what happened now? It's $17.
Yeah, where was the 17 in there?
I don't know.
Was it the cardamom? What was? I don't even know what that is.
Young Pa, the goes Mufasa, young Chakuni around the coonery. A.K.A. Chili Mo, left hand reliever for the Yankees.
Hey,
I had nothing to do with the shooting of Big Papi.
No, not at all, Papi.
Who got shot for the price of an Ultima that's been used.
Fam, I could have sold the nigga my fucking Accord and got the nigga whacked.
Yo, for $8,000, me and Mero could have guaranteed he was dead.
You know what I'm saying?
Actually, no. $8,000, we wouldn't even answer that email.
Nah.
If you sent Victor an email saying, I want to pay the Bodega Boys $8,000
To carry out a hit? He'd be like, yo, get the fuck out of here.
Shut up, my nigga, shut up.
Fuck out of here.
Also, listen, I don't want to say this. Looking a little shaky for Dominican Hitman.
Yeah, I mean,
You might have to get back in the streets and do that work.
maybe he was one of them Glory Boy niggas. Or Tekashi's niggas.
Oh, shit. 3 Phone Jones. Jesus, I'm not gonna. J. Chuckle, Stanley Cup, Human Dr. Bottles, label, dilute. Diana, the Champion, Mr. 240. P, because I like my Pinot blurry.
That's right.
DJ Will, like, aka listening to Watch FM. So I was like, because I didn't have my laptop last time, I'm gonna take you back some real hip hop.
Yeah.
Little
Give it
the
to him.
Far Eye.
Oh, shit. Yo. Yo, the Far Ride. Every time I rap, it was the same tone. I never changed my tone at all.
Featuring Evidence.
Wow. No, Evidence is the nigga that, yo, I rap like this every single time.
But listen, the first comment on this YouTube video.
Real hip hop. Shout out to everyone who still plays real hip hop. 100 emoji, microphone emoji.
You know what it is. Real hip hop will never die.
That's right. You know
Never
what I'm saying?
die.
Yo, what was the name of that group? Fuck. It was like Earth Science of Planet Asia? No, that wasn't that group.
Not Planet Asia. Why? What song?
The Far Eye, Evidence, and somebody else was a group.
Dilated People?
Dilated People.
Oh, shit. Why do I know that?
There you go.
Why do I know that?
There you go. Who's the third dude with the afro?
I never listened to hip hop. I never listened to real hip hop. Niggas trust me like, oh, you fuck with real hip hop. Nah. Just Future, bro.
Yeah, yo, that's it. That's it. Yo,
pump. Ooh.
Scat it.
This nigga got Keith Murray CD.
Oh shit, the most beautifulest thing in this world.
Oh shit! The Curry Goat, Jesus Spicer, Jamal Hash Run, the Bronx Lean Dion, Ray and Nephew's nephew, the Moreno, you cannot Cateno. I went to McDonald's the other day. It has nothing to do with nothing. I paid $10 for a Big Mac meal.
Wow.
Get the fuck out of here.
You're doing too much.
That was in the Bronx.
That was $1 for every 1,000 grams of sodium. Damn. Well,
Big Mama, your leg.
Mama.
Your mom still has all her limbs, right?
Oh, yeah.
You doing good.
You know what I'm saying? We
You
out
good
here.
son.
Gang.
If your mom don't have all her limbs, you're not a good child. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. I think I'll put that out. Unless you live in a country that's experiencing genocide, revolution, or some shit like that.
Yeah.
But if your mama like just in Staten Island and she don't have a leg,
If you don't have a leg, you fucking up.
piece of shit.
Yeah, you trash. You
All right,
gotta,
put down the gabagool.
You know what I'm saying? Bring us some kale. You know what I'm saying? Be like, yo, you can saute this shit with like adobo. It'd be the same. Be good.
Mama, we don't eat sausage every morning for brunch. The Moreno, you can't contain. Many people have tried. MTV2. And you will not be able to pull it off. The human meme, where's the job? Young Aaron, the race of provocateur.
Yeah.
Victor was wilding last week. He called people girly mouth. Nothing man tell us. Surgery can't see faster than woofing.
Shout out to all you girly mouth niggas out there.
Trump is girly mouth.
Yeah.
Word. Fuck
The
him.
human's Werther's melting in your mouth, and you got Werther's, you're old.
Yeah.
Only people that fuck with Werther's are old people and sex offenders.
That's right. That's a fact. Pure fact.
Come on in, I baked cookies.
Yeah. I'll be right down. I'm in the shower. Drink some lemonade.
Why don't you take a seat right there? Mr. Becker, Ricky Tiki Squad, be great. Bavitch. And that Gotta be hot.
Yeah.
It gotta be hot. Like if you got like a Nintendo Wii and you put clothes around it and you put your hand around it, you're like, oh shit, this shit is hot.
Damn.
Yeah.
That shit gotta feel like when the train passed by in August.
Yeah, and it's like, oh shit, this should be refreshing. And it's not.
Not at all.
And it's just like a little bit of garbage water in it. Yeah. Nasty. More says with chestnut. Mahatma Gandhi. Nah, Magaby, but I got that cucumber. That's right. Don't blend it though, because my dick. The juice is oppressed, but your boy never is. That's right. I put like this much kale, and the rest of that shit is just straight sugar. Just strawberries and bananas.
That's right.
They're like, there's 200 amounts of your daily supply of sugar. I was like, just blend it.
Yo, it's natural.
Just blend it. The NutriBullet's like, I don't think so.
No. Are you mad?
No, you're mad. Are you dumb? Are you mad?
Put some ginger in this.
I am the art, damn it. The Dundada Ganoush, No More Cup of Noodles, the Prince of Peckham.
Oh my God.
The Fashion Nova Cash Nova. William H. 10, 5, 10, 10, $10. Forget the small change.
What you want?
Big money. The only item I salute is Dipset. Mr. Sager, catch me at square one, top left. Nancy's Marv celebrating the Raptors.
Yo, celebrate. Yo, Roadman ting. You know what I'm saying? Big up Jane and Finch. Yo. Roadman ting, you know what I'm saying?
I can't hear you.
No waste man.
I can't hear you. Let me turn down much music. Show Rizzuto.
Yo.
Mr. South Plus, all I do is count checks and jerk off.
That's right, yo.
A lot.
You know what I'm saying?
A lot of jerking off.
Yeah, but you know,
after a while, you know what?
It's self-care.
If you got to heaven and they had like a stat and they told you how much you jerked off, what do you think your number is? You think you in the 5 figures?
Like amount of times or like percentage? Like
amount
of times? I'll probably say like 4 figures, like in the thousands. Like, because considering, 36.
Like this year?
No, not this year.
Nah,
damn, nigga.
Nigga, the day I discovered masturbation, I was in 4 figures. That weekend, my dick was like, nigga. Stop!
It turned into fucking.
Get some help!
It turned into Sammy from fucking. The days to stop! Oh my God!
It was that GTA meme. It was like, oh shit, here we go again. I want to be the one you're fucking and beating. It's goofy time.
Yeah.
My mother was like, you all right in there? Just come out bad sweaty like. Nah,
I had to poop. It was hard.
Nah.
I was constipated.
I was nutting so hard it was just like caption added later. Nigga was nutting in unlocked edits.
Yeah.
We got OJ, Purple Stuff, Soda, and it's me, Tony D. I'm gonna hit a purple problematic like, just why not?
Why not? Just preemptively.
David, yeah, man.
Yeah.
That's right. Are you going through a divorce? Are you losing your hair? Did your wife no longer think she's attractive and she had major cosmetic surgery and now she looks wild goofy and you can't bring her to the golf court? Buy David Learman.
Buy some David Learman.
Get yourself a piece of quartz tied by yarn and pay $500 and wear it on your wrist.
That's right.
That's right. To a Yankee game. Driver, pick me up at gate 4. I don't want any of the gazebos to see me. That's right. It's a racial slur. Yeah. These expensive. These are red bottles. These are blood. Shout out to Cardi, who was like, fuck it. I'm not working out. I'm just going to get surgery for her snapback body.
I respect it.
But now she, like, her feet swell up when she flies on planes now.
Oh, they do?
Like, OG.
Oh, wow.
Like, shit's weird. She's just not doing it anymore. But, I mean, like, if you do surgery once, you can do it again.
Yeah.
You already popped that seal. It's like cheating.
It's like riding a bike.
That's what I heard. So King Noah, Andrew Coonannon.
Yeah.
Welcome to Flavor Country when I burn you with a Newport as I tie you down and I'm wearing a full leather jacket as you dance to it. Relax, don't do it when you wanna get to it.
Relax when you wanna come.
I watch you bleed out while I play with a Rubik's Cube. Yeah. Real 80s shit.
Fuck yeah.
AKA the Junior Energy God Junior.
Yo.
Comes down, Bobby.
Sit on it, wine on it.
That's right. Got that new Jamaican ASMR. Comes down, Bobby Charger. Sit on the cocky. Wine on the cocky. Come over here. Wine on the cocky. I want you to come over here.
Wine on the cocky, big girl. Me like a big girl, wine on the cocky.
You like a big girl.
Yo.
Me like a big bitch.
Yo.
Come over here.
Yo.
Come sit down, Bobby Cassava. Come sit down.
Yo, pussy and the cocky make a perfect team.
That's not my wife. She just live with me. Call me Pecco. Because I just got you.
He said, "Yo, man, I breed up, but that's she's my roommate."
Corey Pickles got your bitch on freeze. The topic of gossip is Sayasa. Shout out to the 11791. You know what it is? I don't let those people from Massapequa Park punk you.
Nah, fuck them.
Nah, that's what Tommy. Big Tom Tommy. Shout out to him.
Keeping
it old school. AK Grandpa Joe, when you see Charlie, you see me. Don't touch that golden ticket. And we're getting started. Willy Wonka's factory.
Ooh, it's rap.
Listen, we're gonna do all types of nasty shit.
Yeah.
Straight up.
You know what I'm saying?
They should remake Chocolate Factory and have R. Kelly be Willy Wonka.
Ooh.
Like he opens the ticket and it's just like, well, Grandpa Joe, we're going to the Chocolate Factory.
No.
And we got their kids in the back and away from the gate. Like, no.
I don't. Can I get out of here?
Who wants to swim in the chocolate river? Nobody does, Robert.
No, nobody.
There's mad cops outside the Chocolate Factory. They was waiting for him to open the gate.
Yo, can we leave?
Stupid. I'm not going to let you get the chance.
Oh, man. It's your man, Dead-Eye Desus. Morning, Cheryl. I'm going to go hunting Oregon Trail style. So I'm going to shoot 900 pounds of animals I won't be able to bring back. Yeah. Now, if you miss me, I'm about to ford this river and drown. Mr. Shopping that street easy with a bad breeze like I'm Yeezy, please believe me. Listen, the real estate market in New York is tapped. It's done.
Yeah.
However, if you wait 2 years, listen, that bubble gonna pop.
Straight up.
The black Asiatic addict will crack your back like an automatic Craftmatic, and I'll do that shit while wearing a phone posit while calling white people devils who shared meat with dogs while living in the Caucasus Mountains.
That's right. Teach these devils.
I have no problem with devils. Shout out to Cash App. Mr. La Marita, Miss Marita, with Fresh Miss Marita, cold demeanor. The sheep mask killer, illa. No one could be illa.
That's right.
The Black Zach Morris, Report Morris. Catch me at the Bear Garden, bruh. AK, you're problematic bae. If your last child's ugly, you don't have to claim him.
That's true.
It's true.
Thankfully.
Some of y'all are hurt by me saying that, but look in the mirror.
Yeah.
That's why daddy doesn't call.
That's why.
Okay?
That's
you look
why.
like a townnail.
That's why. Because your eyes is on either side of your head.
Is your eyes still green, girl? No,
You know
they're
what I'm
brown.
saying?
They're
No.
average. Get out of here.
Fuck out of here. You mad regular.
Do you?
I'm saying?
Are any of your kids regular?
Nah.
See, I like that. See that? No hesitation. No hesitation.
Nah. They all got something special.
Now, if I said, are any of your kids regular? He replied like this. The Wild Jeopardy music. See mad numbers going over your head and shit.
Nah.
Nah.
They all stars. You know what I'm saying? Fuck out of here.
We're all rock stars.
Yeah.
In the dope show.
We're all rock stars. Damn, the Marilyn Manson cut. Yo, respect it.
Respect it.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what it is?
All day. You know what I'm saying? We out here.
The Deep Cut Boys.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what
Crossing
I'm saying?
genres, crossing streams.
I love that song. That song, I got a rib removed so I can suck my own dick.
Yeah,
Up
that's right.
next, Mero.
Yeah. That's your boy, the Mero, a.k.a. the Human Direct, a.k.a. Donovan McDab, a.k.a. Curve Gotti, a.k.a. Triz Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Skirt Loader, hop the curb, hit your fucking border collie, nigga, keep it moving, ask me if I give a fuck, man. I do not. I'm no fucking baby, I'm fucking man, my nigga. Except when I'm in a helicopter, then I get terrified. A.k.a. no need to check the guest list, motherfucker. I am the guest list. I played the stuntman that played Iceman in Top Gun. Don't fucking touch me. Yo, Nate, shoot this nigga's eyebrows off, man. I'm tired of this shit. I ain't fuck this club. You know what I'm saying? Shit's treated ash. A.k.a. CC Dad Bathia. A.k.a. getting to this money and this smoke. It's your boy Goldman Schmack. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. I choked Steve Mills half to death till he agreed to take Mero 3 with the third pick in the NBA draft because I'm the motherfucking dad of the year.
I watched
you know
the draft. I'm like,
yo,
what's
what's
security?
good? Yeah.
You just choking niggas to get
That's
niggas
right.
on teams
That's
now?
right. Fuck that. We're doing it. Strong arm, nigga. Like fucking Nori said. You say yo, strong arm, nigga. What? Yo, aka Ben Smack, Bianbo, aka D.A.O. Madonna. You know what I'm saying? I'll do a rail longer than a fucking rollerblading tape, nigga. Aka Dick in your baby, but tell me you don't come in this pussy no more. This pussy belong to me. You know what I'm saying? Aka David Trisdale, pow, nigga. Take that for data. RJ Barrett gonna be the rookie of the year. KD the first Knickerbocker MVP to do it on one leg, nigga. Let's go. Aka Barlow's antenna so smooth. I fall asleep at the wheel and crash the zip car. And I roll right at that shit because it was a Mini Cooper Countryman, nigga. I don't give a fuck. You know what I'm saying? The Dominican done died like when daddy, nigga, in the building. AKA swap my card again. There's definitely money on it. Don't make me embarrass you in front of your fucking management when they come up here and ask for quick selfies and ask me how Heather and the kids is doing.
How are they doing?
Well, they're doing great.
Okay.
They're doing great.
Okay,
but Kurt over here is giving me a hard time. He's trying to avoid shit, and I'm just trying to get out of here.
Oh, well, that's no problem, Mr. Martinez. Let me expedite you. Don't worry about it.
Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you. Fuck you, Kevin. Suck my dick. You know what I'm saying? Put the fucking Dockers in the bag, nigga. Keep it moving. Yo, fire this nigga from this Kohl's. I don't want this nigga working at no Kohl's anywhere in the tri-state area.
Well, company policy is we're not allowed to fire people on the spot. But because the brand is so brolic and you come through dripping with the change.
Yes.
Chop this nigga.
Yeah, word. We got juice now, you know what I'm saying? Brand is brolic. You know what I'm saying?
Brand will come get you fired from your job.
That's right.
No, there's not many people. You know what? There's not many people who get fired from jobs.
What?
Like, we did not talk about LA at all.
Oh, no, we didn't.
All right, well, finish up their case.
Hey.
Little extra innings.
Little bonus.
Yeah.
AKA Romeo Santos, tu favorito, mami. I dance merengue OD inappropriately with your Titi at a Kelo party. Nigga, what's up? I got my Chelsea boots on, yo. Shout out to
Stop, she's a Cuban refugee.
Yo, stop, yo. Oh, my God. So she's seen better days,
Oh, my
nigga.
God.
Tranquilo, papi.
They used to call her Luz Tanto. Don't do that.
Yo, nah. I'll hit her in the butt, though. It's all good. Don't worry.
Don't fuck my grandma in the butt.
I do it. I'm going to do it.
If someone fucks your grandma in the butt, you gotta fight them.
You gotta fight them, bro. You have to.
No, if they do it and they announce it on Twitter.
Oh, yeah.
Like, imagine, like, you going back and forth. It'd be like, yo, I fucked your grandma in the butt,
nigga. What?
All right?
What?
Had your granny wilding on a fucking hamper.
Had a bite in the armrest on the couch, nigga.
You like, my granny wouldn't do that. And nigga leaked the footage.
Ooh.
Nigga leaked a screenshot. And he'd be like, yo, dare me to release the video.
I'm like, yo, no shit, yo, I'm falling back.
There's like a little Cardi in the background.
Yo, aka Lighten El Touchy. Hello, is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes that you're broken, say got 5. Thank you. You know what I'm saying? I'll be performing at Mohegan Sun this weekend. You know what I'm saying? With Diana Ross, y'all. Thank you. AKA Tom Brady girl got my balls deflated like Bobby Crafts. You feel me? Ha ha. AKA feel the ice. I don't want to explore your cosmos, man. You know what I'm saying? Consensually, of course. You know what I'm saying? AKA Lil Snoozy Vert, first nigga to tap out on Live Talk. I've been doing this before every SoundCloud rapper, nigga, because we trendsetters. Nigga,
Is that nigga dead?
Yo, I don't even know, but let's check. Let's stay online and laugh with emojis. AKA Frano, Messi MVP of Gelato. You know what I'm saying? AKA Zeniel Beneville. I ain't gotta get some sticks. You know what I'm saying? AKA Joe Hookah, nigga. I dare you to smother me at Mama Sushi with Maya Booty. You know what I'm saying? We out here, nigga. Flagship. You know what I'm saying? AKA
Thump.
Ben Barson. My hands are gifted. I personally reconstructed Elon Musk's hairline using only MDMA molecules in Joe Rogan's ashtray and weed thoughts. Can you do that? I bet you cannot. I am the head of HUD. Suck my dick from the rear area. From the rear. Candy, do it. Do it. Show these niggas how to do it. Go. Yeah, gag on that shit. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah, that nasty. You nasty. You got some gifted lips, girl. Hey, can't open your medicine cabinet. You know who the fuck it is, boy. It's the dead man. Sit up and over the weed. I'm not bad. You know what I'm saying? Hey, Rico's over there. Hey, baby Newport. Niggas 2 for $5. Niggas got garbage down the way. B. Don't cop over there. That shit's trash. AKA Nino Brown. Shut the car down. You know what I'm saying? AKA live from the McDonald's parking lot on Tremont and Phillip on his Throgs Neck tour. It's the East Tremont Stevie B doing all his greatest hits like I Wanna Be the One Your Titi is Fucking and Sick Love, Come Back to Me. If you pre-order your tickets, you can get to see DJ Vinny Dice spinning all his freestyle hits. Woo! You know what I'm saying? AKA, hey mate, you know what I'm saying? It's only 2 rock stars left in this world, mate. You know what I'm saying? And it's the Bodega Boys, mate. It's a given at this point, of which I am one. The plants ain't sleeping over in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont with a bundle of heroin in my butt. For
sale though, you know what I'm saying? Because I heard, you know what I'm saying, Michael Anthony was around, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? I lose the accent though. I could code switch, you know what I mean? I'll be in the streets. AKA, I met my friend says, nigga, I'm never gonna fail, dog. AKA, chilling at the crib off edibles, balancing his portfolio with moderate risk investments while still trying to get signed to an NBA team. It's Barbelos Anthony for 3. Swish. Damn. Oh, the game is simulated? Oh, never mind. AKA, if you see me at Target higher than Taco Fall's nuts, nigga, violating the no smoking rule, nigga, I'll punch you like a motherfucking earthside mammal, nigga, while I try out this Reese's No Bake Treat. You know what I'm saying? Because I may react radically, you won't like that. You know what I'm saying? AKA, hey kids, it's Ben's of the Clan. Hire me for your kids' party. I'll show up high as shit off of I don't know what. And then I'll raid your medicine cabinet. You're not getting your deposit back, and I'm out of here in your car. Bye, sucker. AKA, I sold fake lean to your favorite SoundCloud rapper. He's high off Cascade and some Shaq soda, nigga. I got that shit at the fucking dollar store. I'm not even trying no more. You know what I'm saying? Fuck that. AKA, you know what I'm saying? Aquí viene, papi. Hasan, tírame la pista, coño. Oye, que lo que llega el flow, coño. Llegó el hijo de FIFA, lo más lindo que ha tirado. Mouse City, después de Don Tito, el único. El motor de Maquinón, tú sabes que es lo que. Habla, mamá huevo, para que yo te mande callar. Al principio mucha gente me quiso subestimar y ahora están llamando, están mandando email, DM para grabar, para mamar, you know what I'm saying, de lambones, you know what I'm saying, como yo te dije anteriormente, si tú fueras un carro italiano, mamá huevo, tú fueras un Lamborghini, you know what I'm saying, estamos sonando heavy en la calle y tengo más flow que el toto de tu jeva cuando me ve en la calle con la pinta. You know what I'm saying? Shout out a la casa, shout out a Tommy Mami, Body, que se está empreñada después del festival. You know what I'm saying? Shit was lit. You know what I'm saying? Y como siempre, shout out Los Smith, shout out Desus Victor in the building. You know what I'm saying? My nigga Justin, DJ Hasan, que pone la fucking nota todo lo bien en Los Smith. You know what I'm saying? A la Angelita y a la Diablita in the back. You know what I'm saying? Shout out Basti, Jubilee, dímelo. Y la nena de la bodega, ya tú la ves. Shout out mi presidente Pío, secretario de defensa activo con el cañón sobao. Dime que lo que yo lo suelto. Make you take ya. You know what I'm saying? Episodio 162, mamá huevo.
Build that wall. Build that wall. Build
I was trying to get that build that wall chant going.
Build that wall. Build that wall.
Anyway, but episode 162, and you know, we got this done, but you know what I'm saying? Shout out to Newark Airport for keeping us hostage for 10 hours.
10 hours, nigga. Motherfuckers got that, flight.
Nigga, we lived in that shit.
You know what I'm saying? It's white people sleeping on the floor. Everything was closed.
I started a new family in the bathroom.
You know what I'm saying? It's crazy.
They still live there.
Yo, and all you niggas that use urinals in airport bathrooms, can you try to pee inside the urinal?
No,
so I don't gotta step on piss?
Fuck that. Nah. Because the thing is, when you go to the airport, you no longer have to be human. You can sleep on the floor, you drink a Bloody Mary, you pee wherever. It's airport. Yeah. The airport is jail for regular niggas.
Facts.
Think about it.
Shout out to the degenerate that had the Raptors money line and was begging the bartender not to turn the TV off even after last call.
So you're closing down, but you leave the TV on, right? Shout out to Newark Airport employees who were just like, oh, your plane's late? Fuck y'all.
Yo,
it's
my
Friday,
bad.
Nigga.
You know what I'm saying? Shout out to the nigga that looked like Wale came over. He's like, hey, I don't really know about y'all niggas, but I heard that y'all famous. So, like, if y'all niggas want to sit together, like, I could do that. But other than that, fuck y'all niggas.
I was like, yo, fam, are you gonna? He was like, nah, y'all. I was like, yo, can you like help us in the first class? He was like, nah, what I can do is dance in these phone posits.
Hey,
DJs, what up?
Hey, get him.
Fuck it up, Wale. Fuck it up.
Fuck it up.
So shout out to the lady that lied and was just making up shit. She was like, yeah, your flight is delayed because you guys need a.
There's a part.
There's a part
that's necessary for the plane flight,
and I believe that you could have a piece of my love, and if you had a piece of my love and a piece of my heart, that will help you fly.
Yeah.
But no, you know what? The LA. Chilling in Major Domo, seeing Jordan Peele and Chelsea.
Just chilling, just casual,
cash. Hollywood.
You know what I'm saying?
So what we're saying is, we are the Hollywood boys now.
You know what I'm saying? Hollywood boys. You know what I'm
saying? But don't ever get twisted. Socio boys.
You know what I'm saying? Sucio gang in the building. You know what I'm saying? No matter where you put us, we going to be Sucio.
And a woman will never be the NBA MVP. Sucio boys and misogyny boys are back.
Shut up!